Alright, in more news, a day after India voted in favour of the UN resolution on war crimes in Sri Lanka, sources say diplomatic ties are beginning to crack down. Yesterday, Sri Lanka announced plans to partially take over an oil storage depot from the Indian oil company's Sri Lankan arm. The country's information minister cited legal provisions to take back unused tanks and said that the tanks could be used to expand the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation's operations. He also said the decision had nothing to do with the UN vote. Meanwhile, the head of the IOC in Lanka said that they were unaware of the government's decision. And Lankan Foreign Minister G.L. Persis, however, said that Sri Lanka's relationship with India will not be affected by the UN vote.
Nothing, absolutely nothing. It is very regrettable that some people are trying to couple that with it because it happened today. Because at the briefing, the Human Rights Council thing also came. Then the OIC, the what you call oil farms, oil tanks issue also came up. So the oil tanks issue, we have number of oil tanks. Through MOU, we have handed to IOC. But we understand that the IOC is not making the full use and the utility is less than 50% of the entire tank fund. CPC with the new management feels that if they have few, they could also make use of it. And giving due respect to the MOU, we are willing to negotiate if there are any provisions for us to amicably sort out this issue.